What are diphenoxylate alternatives for pets? If you are a pet owner concerned about your furry friend's gastrointestinal health, you may have heard about diphenoxylate. This medication is often prescribed to treat diarrhea in dogs and, occasionally, in cats. However, it is essential to know that there are alternatives available. Let's take a closer look at some options you can consider for managing diarrhea and cough in pets. First, let's talk about diarrhea. One alternative is kaolin-pectin. This combination works as a mucosal protectant and adsorbent. It helps bind bacterial toxins in the gastrointestinal tract, which can assist in managing diarrhea. While it may alter stool consistency, it does not reduce fluid loss or shorten the duration of illness. Kaolin-pectin is commonly used as supportive care for various small animals. Another option is activated charcoal. This substance is derived from sources like wood or coconut shells. It has a large surface area that adsorbs bacterial toxins and some drugs, preventing their absorption in the gastrointestinal tract. It is often used for toxin ingestion and can be helpful for certain types of diarrhea. Since it is not absorbed into the body, the risk of overdose is minimal. Loperamide is another alternative. This synthetic opioid acts on the gastrointestinal tract to reduce diarrhea. It has fewer systemic effects compared to diphenoxylate, making it a safer choice for some pets. However, it should still be used cautiously and under veterinary guidance. Now, let's not forget the importance of supportive care and hydration. Providing fluid therapy and managing diet are critical components of treating diarrhea. Keeping your pet hydrated and maintaining their electrolyte balance is essential for recovery. If you are considering alternatives for cough suppression, there are options as well. Butorphanol is a potent opioid antitussive used in dogs and cats. It works centrally to suppress coughing but may not be available in all regions. Codeine is another option, though it is less potent and should be used cautiously due to potential side effects. Hydrocodone tartrate is also used in dogs for cough suppression, but it is generally avoided in cats. Dihydrocodone tartrate is another opioid option for cough control in dogs. Additionally, mucolytics and expectorants like bromhexine and guaifenesin can help clear mucus, but they come with species-specific considerations. It is important to remember that many of these medications are used off-label in veterinary medicine. This means they may not be specifically approved for pets but are prescribed based on clinical judgment. Always consult with a veterinarian before administering any medication to ensure proper diagnosis and safe treatment. In summary, alternatives to diphenoxylate for managing diarrhea in pets include kaolin-pectin, activated charcoal, and loperamide. For cough suppression, consider butorphanol, codeine, and hydrocodone. Each option has its specific uses, benefits, and risks, so it is essential to work closely with your veterinarian to determine the best course of action for your pet's health.